Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at 3 boosters for Shadowfist, the trading card game. Now, these are the limited edition versions. They contain 12 game cards to add to the deck. I got these real cheap online. I got them off eBay, I think. Had them for a while, but let's open them up. So since these are the limited edition, there should be some interesting cards in here. This is from the first run. And these were put out by Daedalus Entertainment out of Washington, Mercer Island, Washington, according to this. But there are 12 cards in each one. I don't know anything about rares, but let's find out when we open these up. Let's see what we got in here. These are kind of hard to find because this was kind of a low print run type game, although the packaging is really nice. Look how nice that is. It's not cheap quality. The cards are pretty nice quality. Pretty standard playing card types. So let's see what we've got here. Move these over. First card we've got is Marked for Death. What I really like is that the limited edition has the gold foil up here in the corner. That's really cool, very classy. Inexorable Corruption. Yeah, these are from 1995. So, alright, then we've got Covert Operations. Edge Warrior. Eunuch Underling. Pubboard Officer, Iron and Silk, Gardener, 100 Names, Positive Chi, Fist of the Bear, and lastly, Strike Force. Now, since these are fairly old, some of them may be kind of banged up in the packaging. I don't know if it's going to show up here, but the corner's dinged on this one. And that's because it was one of the top cards in the pack. So, the art is pretty mixed. But it was from 95. 95 was not known for, super impressive art. But some of it's actually pretty good. So let's look at our second pack. Alright, first up we've got Chinese Doctor, Tortured Memories, it's an event, Healing Earth, then we've got Beneficial Realignment, Ancestral Tomb, Grove of Willows, Golden Comeback, Last Outpost, Shifting Tao, or Dao, Bite of the Jellyfish, Progress of the Mouse, and lastly, Nimral Yadav, Super Soldier, Unique Toughness 1. When attacking, decorated Unique Toughness 1 when attacking. Cool. So let's get these out of the way and look at our last pack here. Alright, first up we've got Mole Network. Then we've got Family Estate. Helix Rethread. That's a pretty cool picture. Gadgeteer. That one's pretty good too. Looks almost like Tim Bradstreet early work. Golden Candle Society. Hollowed Earth. Pubboard Sniper. Dump Warrior. Scavenger Scrapper. You can ignore resource symbols when playing weapons or vehicles on Dump Warrior. The Rackets. Claw of the Tiger, Grenade Launcher, and lastly, Queen of the Ice Pagoda. Alright, so that gives you kind of an idea of what you can expect in the packs. Like I said, the art's kind of a mixed bag, but this one had a real strong kind of cult following, and it still kind of does. There's still people that play this game. I didn't know that it was that old. I didn't realize it was from 1995, but that's it's pretty impressive that it still has some kind of following after 22 years. So, pretty cool. Like I said, the art's a little mixed, but overall it's not bad. It's pretty impressive for 95 overall. Like, this one's got a lot more detailing than a lot of them would from that time period. But, yeah, there's a few kind of, like, oh, okay, they had to rush this one. So, overall, pretty impressive. But that is kind of what's, give you an idea of what's inside Shadowfist. I don't think I got any duplicates out of 3 packs of 12. That's pretty good. So, it doesn't say on here how many cards are in this set. But, yeah, if you're looking for it, it's, the product code is DAE1011. And these originally went for $2.50 a pack. So they were pretty expensive at the time. But, you can still find them. They'll run you probably a couple bucks a pack still. But yeah, they turn up occasionally online. You might have to buy them in 3 or 4 at a time. But buying a box of them is really going to set you back. But that'll do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.